All right, guys, last thing to do for math today, your exit ticket. Use the break apart and distribute strategy to solve the following problem. You may choose whether or not to draw an array. Now, 7 times 8, I need an answer here, but look at all this space. I need some work here. I want the break apart and distribute strategy. Here is the break apart and distribute strategy without any answers yet. So I want you to use something similar to this. You don't have to do your array. It definitely helps if you do, but you don't have to. I want to see something like this, where you break apart 7 times 8 into easier numbers, and then you work it all the way down till you find your answer. Again, I don't just want to see an answer here. I need to see the work that got you there, your break apart and distribute strategy. When you're done with this, go ahead and upload it to the assignment today in Seesaw. Nice job, guys.